How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you feeling well?
Yes, I feel fine.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm quite busy.
Have you been to Paris?
No, I haven't been to Paris.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister and one brother.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Jessica.
How old is your brother?
My brother is 22 years old.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal and fruit for breakfast.
What do you do after work?
After work, I go to the gym.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich for lunch.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I sometimes watch TV in the evening.
What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I meet friends and relax.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
Does your sister have a computer?
Yes, she has a computer.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I like to listen to music.
Is it a good idea to carry an umbrella?
Yes, it is going to rain.
Do you mind if I turn off the lights?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Is it all right to take a break now?
Yes, take a short break.
Would you mind turning off the fan?
Not at all. I'll do it.
Is it a good idea to walk alone at night?
No, it's not safe.
Should I wear a hat?
No, it's not sunny today.
Is it okay if I sit here?
Yes, please sit down.
Should I bring a jacket?
Yes, it's cold outside.
Is it all right to bring a friend?
Yes, no problem.
Will she call me later?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 10 o'clock p.m.
What fruits do you like?
I like apples, bananas, and oranges.
What do you study?
I study engineering.
How often do you eat out?
I eat out once or twice a week.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing guitar and reading.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I go hiking.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball and swim.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What kind of books do you read?
I read mystery novels and biographies.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What type of music do you listen to?
I listen to rock and classical music.
Can he speak Japanese?
No, only English.
Are the children sleeping?
No, they are playing.
Can we park here?
No, it's not allowed.
Why are you nervous?
This is my first time.
Can dogs eat chocolate?
No, it's dangerous for them.
Are the cookies fresh?
Yes, they just baked them.
Should we wait here?
Yes, please wait.
Do they live nearby?
Yes, just down the street.
Is your phone charged?
No, I need to plug it in.
What do you do on the weekends?
On weekends, I visit friends and go shopping.
Do you have any collections?
Yes, I collect stamps.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny and warm today.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Does it snow in your country?
Yes, it snows in winter.
What do you like to do in summer?
I like to go swimming.
Is it cold in winter where you live?
Yes, it gets very cold in winter.
What clothes do you wear in spring?
I wear light jackets and jeans.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I prefer sunny days.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the mall.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
What did you buy recently?
I recently bought a new jacket.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Maybe, but I've never seen one.
Should I wear a sweater?
Yes, it's chilly outside.
Why are you excited?
My English is improving.
Why can't you come?
I have other plans.
Why are you tired?
I worked too hard.
Will you be home tonight?
Yes, after 9 p.m.
Is it going to snow?
Maybe it's possible.
Should I bring a jacket?
Yes, it might be cold.
Do we have enough food?
Yes, more than enough.
Will he be at the meeting?
Yes, he confirmed.
Is your brother older than you?
No, he's younger.
Should I book tickets in advance?
Yes, they sell out fast.
Can you fix this?
I'll try, but no promises.
Do you take any medications?
No, I don't take any regular medications.
What do you do when you catch a cold?
I drink plenty of fluids and rest.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat a balanced diet.
How do you manage stress?
I manage stress by exercising and meditating.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, I use a computer every day.
How many hours do you spend online?
I spend about 3 hours online daily.